in my opinion, the best road trips start in the dark. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. We're out of here. You coming? Get in the car. You got your stuff? Well, I'm not carrying it. There's the other light. Hi, howdy, hello. Good morning. Welcome to the road trip. That's your seat right there. What you doing, baby?
I'm paying the interest fee. It is $3. You can get this little blue envelope. Got my money in there. And you take this off and put this on the window. Here.
Cool. I gotcha. $3 for one car, right? Or $2 a person.
Good morning.
Good morning. This is a nice place. Restrooms. What's this rock say? Father of the Fakahatchee. Okay, that's probably Fakahatchee. I'll start saying it right. Mel Finn, 1916, 1971. Georgian native, adoptive son of Florida, U.S. Army Corps veteran. Well, you made believers out of the rest of us, and were a pioneer in Florida's land conservation efforts.
Your money that you pay for a little fee, $3. Also, there's a really nice bathroom here too. I just used it, so your money's not wasted. Nice sidewalks, you know, history. This is really, really cool. So. Looky there. Looks like a old logging chain. Check that out. Cool.
Logging history.
Yeah. So the main road would have been a logging road.
And Panthers, Panthers, Panthers.
Lots of water right now after the storm, even here several weeks later.
That beautiful clear water just pouring through there. I bet you we see more of those today. This is one of my favorite things. You see all the way to the bottom. You know, one of my favorite parts about being out and do this is just always meet some nice folks. Just talking to them about the channel, about being out. They said they talked to the rangers and things in Everglades City were worse from the storm than here. But there was a bit of damage and flooding here. So maybe we'll see. And we'll go up this way. They say the road's pretty good. And we should see some wildlife. I hope we do. This is going to be a lot of our view on this drive. And we love it. It's a great chance to see nature, plants, wildlife, water. Right now there's a ton of vultures, so we're kind of looking for what they're interested in. Could be an animal that's hurt or already passed, but they're interested. And just as a note, I don't know if I can zoom into that or not, or if I got a glare, there's an electrical wire on the ground here. That's, I'm guarantee that's not supposed to be there. probably more remnants of the storm. What'd you find? Hope it's not our only wildlife.
Look at there.
He's adorable. It's hard to tell enough probably on the video how tiny he is. Every place we stop and look, the water is so amazingly clear. I hope it translates on the camera. But you can see straight down in there to every root of every plant. And then as we look around, you see lots of things actually. But right here you see evidence of controlled burns.
And the cool thing with all this water right now, you're bound to see a lot more wildlife because there's less land. So they got to move up to higher ground.
So we're going to work our way down this road with fingers crossed that we see something cool. And as our Florida native, there's always something he wants to stop and see, and I love it. And I can't wait. Farther down we'll probably see those, well, hopefully, the big suckers where it sucks the water from one side of the road to the other. I love those. Big whirlpools.
You do.
Makes me think of Post 10. You ever watch Post 10? Let me know down in the comments. I'll link one of his videos up here. I know it's kind of crazy that we watch stuff like that, but he cleans out culverts and beaver dams, and yeah, it's kind of cool to me. Good toilet watching. But then, so are Join the Joiners. Are you a subscriber? Have you hit that button? Ring my bell. Well, that sign says rough road next 6 miles. Use caution. That's okay, we won't be going very fast anyway, because we are on a hunt for some wildlife. Beautiful.
And look, you can almost see like the little trails that the animals use, you know. Here's one that goes off right there. That way a little bit.
If only we could follow the trails.
We could, we just had the wrong clothes on.
The wrong clothes, the wrong shoes, the wrong attitude. What'd you find?
Looks like a piece of limestone, actually.
Almost looked like an egg for a minute.
I know, didn't it? It was sitting in the ground like that right there. There's the other side.
I thought you were being a little crazy picking that up. We were about to smell bad.
Right?
This water is gorgeous. What kind of trees are those again with their feet in the water?
Which one?
Cypress?
Cypress? Cypress tree?
That water is so perfectly clear.
Oh, it's beautiful. There's some pretty big looking fish up in there too, actually.
You scared them away.
Yeah, they were hanging out over here.
Here's where all the fishies are. Oh, there they go.
But is that not a beautiful one?
It's
right
gorgeous. I can't believe you called me over here to tease me with this plant. Let's see, can I get a good shot of it? Oh, that's just a stunner right there. That's probably as big as my head. Wow. Alright, we're only like 2 miles down this road. We gotta go. These culverts have a tendency to produce some really good whirlpools. I'm trying to find one to show you. And I think it's interesting here. Look at these fish riding this little wave here. Like they're getting sucked in. Huh. Do they come out the other side? Really, I don't know that it'll show for you, but there's a ton right there. Alright, I gotta go to the other side and see if they're shooting out. I mean, where's all these fish coming from? Alright, well, it's really hard to tell, but I don't see any fish over here. So maybe they aren't getting sucked through. But isn't this gorgeous anyway? Oh, I love this. This is relaxing to me. I'm trying to pull back. Yeah. Still too fast. Fingers. I'm telling you, I'm practicing. I'm getting better. I got brave enough to bring this camera out today. I gotta get Robert to go see the fish. Hey, you gotta come see some fish. Wow. Somebody's mad that we're here. Something over there is really active and chatty, but I can't get it. I don't know what it is. Yeah, I hear that. That's cool. So it seems that this place is known for the giant sword fern that grows here. It can grow up to 10 feet long and is often seen growing in the understory. This park is also host to 38 species of ferns, which can be seen growing everywhere, especially along the West Main Tram. It's really cool. The West Main Tram looks like the length of that trail is 2 miles long, and it takes about 2.5 hours to hike out and back. But it would take me longer than that.
So let's go.
Let's go, yeah. You got those shoes on?
I do today.
You do not. I don't. Blaming it on the shoes. Blame it on the shoes.
Now we gotta go do that video.
What, to blame it on the shoes? The hiking?
No. Here we are at the shoe store today. Now watch this. Baby, how about these shoes? How much are they? It doesn't matter. Just try them. How much are they? No, just get in there. How much are they? Oh, are they comfortable? Yeah, but how much are they? It doesn't matter. Let's go. Here, will you hold this? What'd you do with them shoes, honey?
Okay, listen, I have a hard time spending money. I can't help it. I'm trying to get better.
I guess you look good
Listen,
shoes.
I'm telling you what, tomorrow I'm going to get better because I'm going to go buy that backpack. I want that thing really bad. Hi. Whoa. It's right there outside my door. That's kind of amazing. You're kind of cool, actually. So cool. Better close up with the iPhone. Yep. Whole family of gators, one little log. He jumped off. 5 little gators sitting on a log. Nice.
Look at this gator that we found down here. Pretty good size one there. I'd say that's at least probably 7, maybe 8 foot. Just chilling.
So when people say, "What are you doing?" you say,
Well, check these air ferns out. Is that not cool? Look how many there is in there.
Hi, pretty bird. You're so cool. Almost 4 miles in to find you. Oh, you coming this way? Come on over and get the car. We got room. Got no fish. Are you gonna find a fish? Get it. Oh, you're so pretty. Thanks for letting me take your picture.
Well, here we are. We're 4 miles in to gate number 7, West Main Tram. I am not going to say that word right there because I can tell you what it's going to sound like. But that's where we're at. Yep, never know who you'll run into driving down the road, you know. Just chilling. Just chilling. He's about 3 feet, maybe just a hair over.
Well, we made it to the end of the 6-mile road and we found the East Main Tram. We also found this cool plant identifier. Help figure out some of the ones we've been seeing. The air plant, the cardinal air plant we've seen, the ghost orchid, the vanilla orchid. I don't know if I've seen a butterfly orchid yet. We definitely see the gooseberry. And here's a pic of the trail. which looks like you access here or here. This way. East Main Tram Hiking Trail. And nice little parking lot.